Today we will be taking a look at the GL63 laptop. Inside the box, we find the packaging for the laptop itself, as well as accessories in the surrounding compartments. The accessories include a slim power adapter and AC power cable, a warranty registration card, and a quick start guide. A protective cloth can be found between the screen and keyboard to guard and keep the screen clean from smudges when the lid is closed. The GL63 has a killer gaming network adapter for great connectivity performance and versatile I/O ports including USB 3.2 Type-C and Type-A, mini DisplayPort, HDMI, and an SD card reader. It also features giant 3-watt speakers and amp plus audio jacks for great sound management. The GL63 comes in various configurations featuring up to an Intel i7-9750H processor and NVIDIA GeForce graphics ranging from the GTX 1660 Ti all the way to the RTX 2060 GPU. This robust hardware is complemented by the Cooler Boost 5 technology. The touchpad has multi-touch controls and is supplemented by a per-key RGB SteelSeries keyboard with lighting control through SteelSeries Engine software. On top is a 15.6-inch Full HD 1080p IPS level panel with configurations up to 144Hz in refresh rate. All of this is encapsulated in a compact design of about 15 by 10 inches, with a height of about 1 inch when closed. The GL63 laptop is also very light, coming in at 4.8 pounds for portability. The GL63 laptop, great for the entry-level gamer.